Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun video for you guys, and guess what? I'm vlogging. I'm so excited. I just went to Best Buy like a week ago and got myself a vlog camera. So I have my long extensions in today because I'm going to be Ariana Grande for a day, which I thought was really exciting. And my cat's in the background making a lovely appearance. So I'm really excited for this video. I mean, who wouldn't want to be Ariana Grande for a day? And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's just get right into the video. So while I'm Ariana Grande, I thought why not film a little haul. So I did go to Ulta and I got some new makeup, and if you guys would like to see it, then just keep watching because we're gonna dig right in. Okay, perfect. We're gonna sit right here. Hopefully no one comes in because that would be weird. But the first thing I got at Ulta is the Morphe Beauty Sponge. I heard such good things about this. Jaclyn Hill talks about it literally all the time, so I got this. I can't wait to try it out. The next thing I got, talking about our queen, Jaclyn Hill, is these Jaclyn Hill eye brushes from Morphe, and I'm really excited to try these. I'm always in need of new brushes, and I don't want to spend my money on Sigma brushes. I'm sorry, Sigma, but I can't afford you. I'm a broke girl. Broke. Oh, sugar plums. Are you guys okay? Okay, we're all good. Don't mind me, by the way. I'm getting used to vlogging. It's really difficult. I don't know why it's so hard, and I thought it'd be so easy, but it's whatever, it's fine. The next thing I got is the Morphe Continuous, is that how you say that? Setting spray. But this stuff is so good. It has like the finest mist ever. I love it so much, and it's only $15, so super cheap. And then, did you guys know ColourPop was at Ulta? Because I definitely did not. So I got some ColourPop eyeshadows. The first one I got is Set to Stun, which is this. I don't even know if you guys could see it. I guess I'll take them all out. Which is Set to Stun. And it's like a really pretty purpley shade. The next one I got is called Cheap Date, and it's really pretty sparkly gold. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like this. The next one I got is Lightning Bug. And it's this really pretty coppery gold. And the last eyeshadow I got is Ladybird, and it's this very pretty light cream shade. And it's super sparkly. I wish you guys could see how sparkly it was, but it's gorgeous. Alright, just 2 more items to go. So I got a gloss by ColourPop because I've never tried their glosses before. And I got this really sparkly pink color in Snow Day. And the last thing I got was the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation in warm 1 to 2 because I'm pale. So the first thing I'm going to be doing as Ariana Grande is the most basic of the basic thing in the whole entire world. We're going to Starbucks. And apparently at Starbucks she gets a vanilla bean frappuccino with no whipped cream. Girl, where's the whip? We gotta get the whip. I don't care. I'm gonna fail because we need whipped cream. I don't understand that. Ariana, girl, like, where's the whipped cream? Like, you need that. So I'm gonna go get that first, and then we're gonna go get some food afterwards, and I'll see you there.
Hi, thanks for choosing Murphy Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have a vanilla bean frappuccino grande with whipped cream?
Sure, a grande vanilla bean frappuccino.
Yeah,
with what?
With whipped cream.
With whipped cream, sure. Anything else?
Nope, that's all.
It's $4.52. Let's get to the window.
Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the only lighting I have, but I got the vanilla bean frappuccino, and my mom is a baby and won't even say hi. Whatever. At least, there you go. And thanks for the light. So I got the vanilla bean frappuccino, and I got whipped cream, obviously, because Ariana Grande, what are you thinking? You need whipped cream, okay? This is really good. So, I mean, I know why she gets it. This is so freaking good. It tastes exactly like vanilla ice cream. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. So now we're going to Chipotle, and I'm obviously gonna get something vegan. Is this vegan? I literally have no idea if this is vegan or not. Is there milk in this? Because I think I just failed this entire thing. Please tell me down below if this is vegan or not, but I'm gonna go to Chipotle now, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back from Chipotle, and I have my bowl right here. So this is what I get every single time, minus the meat. I normally eat meat, but like I said, Ariana Grande is vegan, so I got white rice, what did I get? Peppers and onions. Peppers and onions, and guacamole and corn. So this is normally what I get anyway, minus the peppers and onions, but I love that anyway, so I'm sure it tastes amazing. So let's try it. See, I have to be like Food Network and get a little bit of everything. Mom, why are you playing with my hair? You're ruining it. Yum. This is so good. Now I'm gonna go home and finish this. Oh, this is so amazing. But anyways, guys, if you guys want me to do a week in the life, like being vegan or something, since I'm severely uneducated, let me know that down below as well. I can't even speak, but let me know that down below, and I will definitely try that out for you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys when I get home to do the outro. Alright guys, although it was fun being Ariana Grande for a day, I think I would like to go back to being Alyssa, so I cannot wait to take this hair out of my head. It hurts so bad. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a really fun time creating it for you guys, and if you like these kind of videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will definitely make more celebrity videos. And at the end of the day, I'm not trying to be Ariana Grande at all. I did this for fun, so definitely be yourselves because you guys are all awesome, and I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm where we are.